Wall Street Pete. Good morning. I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. We have been very busy, and gotta say, if you like making sick dough in crypto, hit that like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. If you like making sick dough in crypto, if you like hearing about some of the best news, some of the latest news of crypto news, some fun, some music once in a while, a little freestyling here and there. It's only Thursday. Tomorrow, I promise something, maybe something stupid, something funny. We got the GOAT up there, number 23, Batman, back in the air. Ass down there, we have Wally the Whale up there. Ethereum's my girlfriend. My favorite running back in the world besides Saquon. And we have some Saquon news. What are we talking about? It's Saquon Barkley. Wants Bitcoin. He wants a piece of Bitcoin. Who doesn't want a piece of Bitcoin? Hit the like and subscribe. Giants Barkley says, Saquon Barkley, Saquons. Good morning, Luke. Good morning, Gary. And good morning, Max. What up? Pete's in the streets. Watching Wall Street Pete. Have a seat. Maybe stick around, get a treat long enough to get something to eat. It's morning, though, right? We're having coffee. New York Giants. I love the New York Giants. I'm excited. Star Saquon Barkley is planning to have 100% of his future endorsements paid through Bitcoin. Barkley's only 24 told the Best Business Show with Anthony Pompilano on Wednesday that he's hoping to create general wealth, something he believes isn't possible solely through playing as a running back. We know running backs don't last long in the NFL, as we're into that kind of thing. So that's kind of what he's saying, and he believes in Bitcoin. He's not a fool. Something more Bitcoin news. A little more excited. We're going to talk about this right now, quick as we can, because I have work and I have a busy day. Ethereum's top 10 largest addressees now own the highest percentage of ETH's overall supply of 20%. 20.5, almost 20.6, since 2017 of May, after dropping as low as 18.5. After the all-time, I guess, hashtag all-time high, they've now accumulated 2.12% more of ETH's total supply in the last 41 days. I kind of want to bring this to a lot of people's attention. This is very important. And the news of on Binance US, which we're going to come back to what I just said. GRT is now listed on Binance US. If you're in the US, you can now enjoy those crypto purchases, if you suppose. I do like them. Both of these networks, I'm a big fan. Graph has been under the radar lately. You know what? Both of these have been under the radar lately. Aave, another Ethereum token. So pay attention, no joking. Definitely something to mention. Hit that like button, baby, if you have not hit it. Let's get as many likes as we can on the subscribe button here. If you have not subscribed, then hit the subscribe. If you need the bell notification clicked, that's important too. What the hell's going on? We're getting a 15-minute ass whooping interval of twos. That's a problem. But one more thing I did say before we talk about this drop, right? Because that's something to talk about. I wanted to talk about that. Okay, so we went back. That's important. We're on Ethereum. So let's go to the monthly. All right. I know this looks crazy, but we're going to go on to the monthly. And you had tips about 2-3 weeks ago, big coin coming. Yeah. Robust protocol token. I love when people give me, I love it. Thank you. Thank you very much, Robert. I appreciate it. I just want to go over this real quick, if you don't mind. What happened here during this time frame? People may not understand. This is definitely it because it looks like it. The same time frame as Ethereum, as we were talking about, and good morning to everyone. We are dropping we're dropping like flies, man. Holy shenanigans. Look at this, my man. And I want to say congratulations to my buddy Alex. He's got a big, important event today. And whether he kills it, whether he just barely makes it, or whether you fail. Dude, you're my brother. You're going to make it, Alex. Don't worry about it. I didn't know Alex before this show, but you know what? I know him now, and he's a smart individual. He should be smart enough to know that he's going to try his best, and if he fails today on what he's doing, he gets another chance, I'm sure, at least one more. But he wants to do it now. He's a perfectionist. He wants to get his things done. You'll be fine, brother. Don't worry about it. We're going to talk about this, December. There it is. Let's come down a little bit. November, October. September, right? And then we come down to August. Now, this is something I want to pay attention to. It's funny how it just comes on here. I guess that's when it came through for Binance, okay? I have the Binance chart, so it was probably when it hit Binance. It took a while. But still looking 2017, we started getting this. This is insane. If you look at this, this is the truth. This is insane. Because if you were in on this on the 2017 mark when the addressees rose to the same high as where we're at now, you'd be looking at growths of Ethereum of how much of a percentage? Almost 1,000%, 900% growth. You could check out a million coins. Listen to me, Bills. Listen to me, everyone's got their opinion. DAG, I like DAG. DAG is the shiznit. DAG has been doing something different than what everyone else has been doing. Yes, this is the potential. So that's nothing really to talk about. Yeah, we kind of like to do the wick, the meat of the candle. That makes a little more sense. So still almost 700% profit. Pay attention to that. That's very important. So as we come into August now, we say, all right, forget all this stuff. We don't need to talk about this no more, right? That was in the past, Pete. That's why I don't bring up the past too often. I really don't. But we are falling, and damn help we need to be calling because this is not looking good at all. I'll be honest, this is very dangerous where we're at right now. We would have to pay attention to the Bitcoin price in order, but I wanted to go over Graph, GRT, Aave, of course, because they were the ones that were on the Binance. Pay attention to, there should be some growth coming. That always happens that way, and I'm sorry if I'm getting your mind spinning here as I'm flying through to look for GRT and Aave because I threw them all the way down to the bottom, and you know why, because they fell asleep. The bears gobbled them up, and they went bear town. And that's kind of the things you got to pay attention to. So if they start doing good again, bring them on up. This chart doesn't have what I need, apparently. I have 1 million tokens. There it is, GRT. 61 cents. Let's bring it back up because I know it's been doing higher than that. I pay attention to everything, every token, every price. And this may get annoying. I don't know why it's doing this. But, all right, so we're going to, okay. Whatever you want to do, GRT, just keep being a pain in my ass. So there's the Shiba token. Let me know if you see Aave, because that was an important one I wanted to go over. Dogecoin's been sucking, so we threw that down there. AMP's going down. I mean, AMP is getting me scared. So we'll give some GRT. Engine token's been whooping ass. I mean, there's a lot of tokens that have been killing it. Let's be real, okay? So there's a lot of tokens that have been killing it. A lot of price action here, too much things. I was doing some TA here by myself yesterday. That's why this looks like a mess. I was expecting this to hopefully come up and hit or the bottom. Well, looks like we're getting that double bottom M here. What are we going to test? Well, looks like we're going to test down here because I have something written here on the 1860. Wowzers. This is the Ethereum token. So I'm not a registered financial advisor, but if you look at this shorting position as it's starting to come down, they give us one. We did test this a few times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we touched. And then if we get into the past here, well, this is June 27th, 26th, 25th. Just roughly, what was it, about 20 days ago? So about 20 days ago, it looks like we were in this vicinity before. And it's very important to see where we've been at. I didn't mean to make a heart. That does look really weird. But maybe you want to love it. I don't know. We were bouncing up for some resistance, if you notice. Please help me, right? Coming down, support, breaking through. Something was happening at this point. Well, we are now hopefully not really testing that again, because if we do, I believe we're going to break through that. I believe we could break through that, come all the way down and retest right here, which would be pretty rough. That would be 1820, so that would break us down to 40 more. So pay attention to that. I would definitely look at that. I would go to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, I was hoping for Bitcoin to really just start finishing at the top more. Unfortunately, now it's really showing us signs that here, 31.5, I said we can't break down below. Well, here we are now. So here's Bitcoin price. Pay attention to the Bitcoin, and that is where you're looking at. It's still following the downward trend. The trend is your friend. That's what's happening. Now, the falling wedge 100% ends up in a bullish pattern. So it will wind up coming up with a big bounce eventually. The problem is it's not doing it now, right? That's what we want now. It's not doing it now. You're not getting it yet. So I don't know what to tell you on that. I mean, you want to keep buying the dip. That's what the captain will tell you to do. Some people will tell you I'm a moron, but if you trade on leverage, then this is a different conversation. Then we're shorting the market. We're not getting exactly this yet. So we shift it down off to this level here, and I'll shift it to the 31.5. And then I expect to see some type of parabolic move action come back down, right? Retrace with the pullback up. This is where we get this action, but we won't receive this until we're done. So I'm looking at this, and I'm seeing the falling downward trend. And, yeah, you get a couple green ones. Then you're going to get this manipulation. It's basically what it is. It's horrible manipulation. I hope you have a good morning. Have a positive attitude. If we can continue to create new higher lows, we'll be okay. That's kind of something we need to pay attention to. What are we doing here? What do you mean? Let me bang this out a little bit here. New higher lows, 28.30. 31.5, it's still new higher low. Okay, pay attention. Definitely to mention as we were coming down, we were making new lower lows. It was horrible. See down here, we were making new lower lows, and it was bad. All right. So now, if we can continue to, there's a million prices. Don't pay attention to the ones up here. This is a resistance price, a support price that we've been at that I hit. 35.5. No one on my channel ever said it. We got it. We bounced off it. We played around with people thought it was crazy. They said, "How the fuck did you know that?" I just knew it. Okay. It's just one of the things on my channel. I promise you, no one else talked about it. I promise you. So definitely pay attention to this 31.5, 31.6. That's something I've been watching. If we break through to this, we're going to be going down further. Okay, that's what I'm trying to explain to you. I'm going to go to an indicator now without doing any indicators. I've done the show right now this morning without any, and I have to get going because I got to get moving for work. As this helps my show, because now my show helps me get through my day, because my trading day hopefully is a nice, easy day. I'll fool around with some things here I need to do, and we'll see where I go on my TA. This is the Relative Strength Index chart. I don't do exactly everything I do on the show as I would do it in private. Unfortunately for you, I do a little different couple things, but hey, I do some of them similar. So I'm paying attention to where we went. Last time I checked, we bounced here. Remember, we're coming from the down position. So I pay attention to the certain relative things' importance. We're coming down. We're coming down, right? So what are we doing now? What are we doing now? What are we doing now? We're coming down. So what happened the last time we came down? Well, let's see. We were coming down. We were coming down. We spoke about this coming down stuff? Okay. So what did we do every time we came down and touched this line? Well, we came down maybe below a little bit, as you see here, so we continue to fall. And then we get this massive boom. I'm telling you, this may be it. I'm just letting you know. Look at the repeat pattern. I'm just letting you know. I'm not we didn't go high on this one hard. We went hard on that one. We went hard on that one. We didn't go hard on this one hard. Wait a minute. Are we skipping a pattern here? Boom, boom, right? Hard, not so hard, shakalaka. Not so hard, shakalaka. Maybe we're getting it again. I don't know. But if you enjoy the show, hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. That's one indicator. Now we're going to check the EMA real quick, have a sip, see where we're at. This is the 15-minute. I do like the 15-minute. The 15-minute is going to contest. The 15-minute may mirror image this. If you pay attention to this, this was July 14th. This is another thing on the 15-minute chart. Now we're flipping and flopping. People don't like this. Well, this is what WallStreetPete does. This is quick, fast talk money. This is Ethereum on the 15 minutes. Okay, so now you're seeing 15 minutes. Now, if we can continue to do that sideways action, now we got what? We got the ticker bounce, and then we can go back on our way with the invertedness, head and shoulders, the pattern that we were trying to do. If you notice on some of the patterns here, we were definitely doing it. I can't continue to deal with some of this. It's driving me crazy. Some of this stuff is just too much, and I'm sure it's too much for you to watch on your eyes on the screen. So I do just start deleting some of the shit. It gets annoying. But we're on the four-wheelie, okay? So the four-wheelie is important. Notice that green was up. We'll see what happens here. If we continue to fall, you're going to understand that if we break through this, this is going to be a downward M. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what I'm trying to preach. This is going to be a bottom down M. It's going to be the second bottom. I don't know why it happens this way, but it does. And if you continue to break through here, if you understand through here at the 19, level, which is where, shenanigans, we're at now. If we break through, and that's where we start coming down, so we'll be at even through here. You're going to see this price at this orange level, 1857. That's inevitable. So, I don't know. These prices are getting cheaper. They're getting scarier. I'm not going to lie to you. They're definitely getting scarier. I'm not a fan. Do the EMA before I go. I might do GRT real quick, but I do have to get going. We're going to do GRT now then. All right, real quick. I just want to show you what happened because I sold GRT at the high. Don't ask me how the fuck I did it, but I sold Graph. This is part of the Graph. We're starting to come into the EMA now. That's a bullish pattern for me. When we start coming in, right, and if you look, where were we on the downward? Okay, here we are on the downward. Look. We started coming into the ribbon. See how we're falling down and we're coming into the ribbon? When we come into the ribbon, we'll touch again, which is probably what we'll do. Touch the ribbon on the downward spike. This because, look, we're all on the downward spike. And then we'll touch it again a second time, third time. 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out, and we're home. Run, motherfucker, instead. All right, look, that's what it's like. So this is one touch coming down. Look. One touch coming down. We're going to get our second touch coming down. Then we're going to get our third touch coming down, and it's going to be home run. I'm telling you. If you don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Boom, 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 boom. Get the GRT ready because I'm going to show you real quick. GRT, same kind of thing, right? We got that almost touch. Ooh, we're in the wave. There it is. Come through. You check my website, not my website, but if you check my YouTube channel, you can see, go to About WallStreetPete. Check us out on the bottom. There's a PayPal account. You could donate if you wanted to. If the money is flowing in for you, you could. But if you're not making money, please don't donate me nothing. If you love this channel, all I ask is for a like and subscribe. If you're making a lot of money, then that's different. You could do that if you like. Donations are definitely asked. Why not, right? I'm going to put money into this channel, and I'm going to make this channel grow. You have no clue what I plan on doing for this. We talk about feeding the poor. How else do you think we're going to get there? We're going to have to blow this channel up. So we're under the EMA as I'm jabbing. This is the GRT graph token before I go. So we're under, and look at the price. The top price was 80 cents, okay? In February, listen to your captain. This is your captain speaking. In February, back in the day, when we were sailing deep, deep ships long ago, we were in a very big, deep, wavy kind of ways. Swap the decks, me mateys. We were swapping the decks. We sold at 277, and we were kicking ass, me mateys. Remove the indicator. I want to show you what I did. I sold at 271. I'm sorry, to be exact, 271, I remember. It was in February, and I told people to sell. I told them it was probably a good idea. Check my video. Most likely it was the last GRT. I'm not sure. It's been a long time. Ever since then, we've never seen anything. I did not sell at the top, but damn, can we please get a little standing ovation for as close as it can get? 290, I believe, was the top. So we were close, but look at what we've been doing since. It's nothing but that cup and handle formation down. Now, if you see where we've gone, well, we did a little bit of a more dip. So we've been really symmetrically hitting almost what's been going on, right? So what's been happening when you get, this is the action coming down. It's the same action going up. It's like the stairways. I don't know why it works that way, but maybe we get one more like that before we get this dip. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you that's coming, and then you'll get this inverted dead cat bounce up. So I'm sorry today I didn't do no live TA for anyone on different coins, but this is the GR Graph token. There's a lot of bullish momentum coming into this, even though it's an Ethereum network. That's how bullish Ethereum is. I want to let you know that I'm going to be stacking as much as Ethereum as I possibly can be during the July event. You got the London Fork July as we go. I just want people to understand the London Fork July. There's something happening in the London Fork. Pay attention, definitely to mention. It's an Ethereum network that's going to explode. You want to be the GOAT. You want to be on top. Have some Ethereum in your life. This looks like a dick and balls. Oh, my God. Did anyone see that? That's crazy. Oh, gosh. I'm so sorry I drew that. I did not mean to do that. Remember the heart? I remember that. Yeah, you guys. So pay attention to that. Maybe we'll get some more of these dick and balls, and we'll go up to the moon, and you're going soon. It's going to be a good day. Yes. It's going to be a good day. La, da, da, da. It's hard to sing in the morning. It's hard to sing, right? Especially in a lot of people. Notice one thing before we go. Dr. Rainey, have a wonderful day, too. 15.7. There's got to be a different change. There we go. A little bit. 19.6. Let's just say we're about 7.7. If you notice, there's about 4 billion in difference. 3.6 on an average. I've been watching the difference on the flip of volume in the Bitcoin versus the Ethereum attack. So pay attention to that before we go. Definitely have a good day. Binance Coin. If you pay attention up here and you click on the currencies and you go recently added, you will notice that there's more, and I didn't look yet. There's more Binance than Ethereum coming out. It's like Binance is a fucking bunny. Today, true badger, Binance Coin. Today, Shiba Flaka Waka, Binance Coin. I'm just trying to give you guys a heads up. So 2 new coins came out today, and they are Binance Coin. Ready for this? Daddy Doge, Binance Coin. It was 1 day ago. It got 20. Holy shenanigans. It got 20 million volume, almost 21 million in like that. 24 hours. Can I invent something where we can get 21 million volume immediately, please? And I'll just run with it. That's what I wonder if they're going to do, so please be careful with some of these shit coins, because that's my point. You get this kind of reaction. You get this kind of love. You got to be careful with these shit coins. But if Binance Coin is not fucking like a bunny, they are they are rocking the crypto world. So as we go into this, talk about GRT and Aave being added. Aave M is being added. You could check the losers. You could check the winners. 300% right now in this crazy volatile world. Binamon, B-Mon, as we're in on a Thursday. One more day for Friday. Let's get it. Some of this is going. So as I got to close my day, I'm sorry, but go back into the rankings if you choose. This is CoinMarketCap. The volume is 19.6 billion, 15.7 billion, clearly down on Ethereum, clearly down on the Bitcoin price. Reasoning for why we're falling. The 304 price, as I told you on the Binance Coin, was a good price to buy. It continues to be a good price. Pay attention, definitely to mention. And then Cardano. So there's a couple coins here that are going to keep you rich, make you rich. You got to pay attention. XRP, Cardano, Binance, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Those are your top 5. If I did have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So pay attention to those 5. I made a good word up. I stand behind, and I really seriously, Stanley and seriously, I don't know. Is that a word? I seriously stand by. That's a word I was trying to put together, that we should be involved in these coins. I'm not a big Bitcoin fan. I'm not. I'd rather get my percentage on Ethereum and lower. But Bitcoin is something to trade on leverage. Ethereum is definitely one of my favorites. But if you trade on leverage, please. Experienced traders only. WallStreetPete Sicto in crypto. Trending coins. That's simple. They actually had a category for the cryptocurrencies. You can actually go on, and it said trending. I think they took it out. But they also have, there it is, trending right there, gainers and losers. If you want to do it real quick, I'll do it for you. We just did it. Blockchain cuties. There's nothing going high right now but shit coins. All the people that don't know what to do with their money is coming in real funny. That's all that is. And it's a funny rhyme because it's perfect. All the people who don't know what to do with their money, it's going in funny. Instead of going into like Ethereum, where you should be putting your money in assets where it's important. People want to see big gains. I want that 300 gain, yeah? When you get the fucking minus 500, let me know how your bank account feels, okay? That's my point. You want to play with shit coins, you could play with shit coins. I'm not listening to your shitcoin views right now. I'm sorry. In the future, yes, when Bitcoin's going kaboom, we're going to get these. You're going to get DAG. You're going to get all of them. I wonder if we can. There it is. No, is it? I know DAG's been kicking ass, and I don't know how far I'd have to go down to get it. But there's GRT. I want to talk about the top 50s. Chili's hanging around there. Elron. Pay attention to some of these. Like Chili's is up 11%. That's where you want to go. Selner, what's up, brother? Go, brothers and sisters, go pay attention to Wally the Whale. He's wallying out over there. He's wilding out. That's funny as hell. 11%. Look at the 11% up rate. You don't get none of that nowhere. This is 24 hours. Okay, so 24 hours cheese. CHZ. It's a game. It's a token for MLB baseball. They are now affiliated. They're doing well. Polkadot, another nice one. Not getting its ass chewed out. XRP staying steady. If you pay attention to some of these, Cardano's solid. Binance coin up, green. What a surprise. So pay attention to all that. Stake your money like Luke does, and you will be a happy, 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 joy, joy. You really will. Aye, captains. Who lives in the pineapple under the sea? Wall Street Pete used to. Who wants to go to the moon and soon? Wall Street Pete. Have a sick day. Have a sickto and crypto day. Have a positive day. If you were not positive, there was people I used to work with here that are now having negative days. Imagine working in the open outcry and not knowing what to do in the digital world. I mean this. They have no clue how to start an account, how to create an account, how to trade the cryptocurrency because it's different. It's a different animal. You have no clue what this is the difference of. There's people here hurting. I wish I could help every one of them. I need to help myself first. I'm still in the middle of doing that. But listen, help yourself. Have a good day. Wall Street Pete, Sicto. In crypto. Hit the like, subscribe, because you know we're going on a ride when we get these bell notifications. Watch the crypto market fall. Please pay attention. It's not going to keep lasting for long. August, there's going to be better days. And it's going to be like that summertime song. I'm telling you. Have a good day.